So I'm a very busy woman. I work very passionately at what I do, my business Star Body. And I also take the time to passionately rejuvenate myself when the opportunity arises. This is a salt wall. You can hear it, you can see it. It's so beautiful. And I'm relaxing on a heated marble bench. It's a meditation space, and I'm going to quietly relax until it's time for my vitality treatment, and I will fill you in more. This is La Bella Spa. This is the Light Vitality Salt Room. I'm so grateful. My family gave me this gift certificate for my birthday, which was back in March the 13th. I'm now treating myself. Well deserved. So remember, you are a star body, heavenly handcrafted. Always, always, always take care of yourself and never let anyone go.